Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day. My name is Sufyan, and this is a sharing information entitled Advanced Air Mobility. So, an air transport system concept called Advanced Air Mobility, or AAM, merged the cutting-edge aircraft design and flight technologies into already in use and newly modified airspace operations. So this AAM goals is to transport people and goods more efficiently, especially in the undeserved local, regional, metropolitan and rural context. So this initiative is gaining momentum in the United States thanks to the Advanced Air Mobility Coordination and Leadership Act, which was first made available through the National Aeronautic and Space Administration and the U.S. Department of Transportation, or we call NASA. As hundreds of organizations bring distinctive solution to market to address the issue inherent to AAM, a significant private finance and commercial innovation have also come into this area. As these ideas are commercialized, the Federal Aviation Administration, or FAA, will control the creation and use, as well as monitor and handle any potential safety and security problem. The Aeronautics Research Mission Directorate (ARMD) of NASA has invited universities, public aviation and transportation organizations, aerospace and defense companies, architects, engineers, and urban planners to form a strategic collaborative partnership in an effort to obtain a sufficient technical and infrastructure expertise. Also, the safety and integration details, socio-economic consideration, as well as global resource. So the public-supported impetus required for the widespread adoption of this cutting-edge airborne technology is being created through NASA's campaign and other efforts. So the AAM idea developing cutting-edge, economical aircraft with no environmental impact, designed for air vehicle which is enabled by electricity and scalable by automation, have been suggested by NASA and other AAM proponents. With the exception of certain research into hydrogen power zero-emission aircraft, almost all of the developed AAM vehicles have all-electric or hybrid electric power system to securely go from one location to another without a human operator on board. Many are highly automated, so most of the design fit within one of these category or more. First, we have the electric vertical takeoff and landing, or eVTOL. So this design are mostly used for rooftop-to-rooftop cross-town excursion, aircraft passenger transfer, hospital transfer, and other applications. Some eVTOLs have onboard or remote pilots, while others have an automated navigation that is self-driving. Okay, so next, the electric conventional takeoff and landing, or ECTOL. These aircraft are used for short-range trips, small cargo deliveries, and passenger transfer from regional and rural airstrips. For the very last, the Small Unmanned Aircraft System, or SUAS. So commonly this is known as a drone or unmanned aerial vehicle, UAVs, are used for a variety of tasks, including aerial photography, small item delivery and pickup, the transfer of medical supply, and also the filming. So for the economical targets, actually there's a few countries already released their economical target for this project, and most of them predicting a huge positive impact based on the current technology's successful pattern. So there's an article, Ohio Economic Impact Study made case for investing in advanced air mobility by Mr. Alan Head on June 2021. So he stated that the researchers predict that the economic activity generated in Ohio by AAM will grow steadily over the next 2.5 decades, from 400 million in the 2020 to 2024 timeframe to 5.1 billion between 2041 and 2045, where the passenger use cases involving AAM aircraft will be fairly mature. They expect that 7.2 million such passenger trips will be made in Ohio in 2045. So AAM could generate as much as 13 billion in economic activity in the state of only Ohio over the next 25 years. But only if this new generation of electric aircraft delivers on its promise to be much quieter and less obstructive than the helicopter today. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.